My first open mic. I really like this quote. She was never quite ready, but she was brave, and the universe listens to brave. I'm a healer, and I also connect people through my events that are very heart-centered, and I'm going to attempt to channel tonight. So if you all can just close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and open your eyes whenever you're ready. Oh. Right. So perfection, it is like a sickness. We think we have to be so perfect. We're showing on social media our perfect lives, and how many pictures do we take before we post them to reveal this is who I am, but is it really who you are? This needs to stop because the new generations are watching us. We need to allow ourselves to be vulnerable. When someone asks you, how are you? Don't just say I'm okay if you're not okay. That creates more sickness. When people ask me, how are you? I start to saying, well, today I'm wobbly, and today I'm feeling quite shit, but you know, that's okay. And unless we actually say how we feel, we can't receive that support. And so, whoever I'm integrating with, whoever I'm speaking with, I want to be able to plant these seeds that it's okay to be you, it's okay to be true, it's okay to speak your truth. Because who knows, by you being you, and by you speaking your truth, in that moment, that person that you're speaking with, maybe just a short story on the train, you may actually help save their lives. So don't underestimate who you are and your message. We're all here for a reason. We all have potential. We all have dreams. Don't forget about your dreams. Allow yourself to stop. You don't always have to just carry on, and life doesn't have to be a struggle. You don't have to struggle to survive. That used to be me. I used to just carry on, just doing what you're supposed to do, striving to have what you're supposed to have, being someone that I didn't want to be. And so, really give yourself that space to really go within, connect with your heart. What do you really want to do? Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow or even in the next moment? Last year, and I'm just going to warn some of you may be triggered by this, I had 2 miscarriages, and I don't feel like it's spoken about enough, because usually what happens is you wait 3 months before you reveal that you're pregnant, because what if something happens? But then if something happens like a miscarriage, you may not be ready to share that you've had a miscarriage because you never shared that you were pregnant. And so you go through one of the worst times in your life without that support. So whatever it is that you're going through right now, know that there's so many people that are just waiting there to want to support you. So allow yourself to be vulnerable, especially you guys, you know. You haven't had an easy time. Many of you have been programmed and told that it's not cool to cry. Don't do that because it's too girly. This year, is the year for the men's circles, for the men to come together, for brotherhood. We've already seen so many women's circles coming up and women supporting each other. Guys, allow yourself to be seen, allow yourself to connect with other guys. We women, we need you. We need you to connect with other guys to get your support, because sometimes we can't give you that support. So allow yourself to reach out. So yeah, back to the story of my miscarriages. I was laying in hospital. I already have a daughter. The first time in 4 years I had the night by myself because I lost a lot of blood in the procedure of that I had with my miscarriage, and I promised myself, I said, no longer am I going to struggle to survive, I'm going to learn how it feels to be fully alive. And that comes from the process inside, and the process of reaching out and actually sharing my truth. So thank you for listening, and please allow yourself to be vulnerable, allow yourself to be heard, seen, reach out, and remember your dreams and go for them. Have the courage to go for them. I'm here. This is scary shit. I don't swear very often, but yeah, just go for it. Now or never. Now is the time. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing, for having the courage to share. Beautiful.